hotel offers two-room option. Option number 1, a cozy 32 square meter that's perfect for solo travelers or a couples, the suite room. Or option number 2 is a 54 square meter room, ideal for those who like a little bit more extra space, the superior room. Alright, let's jump right in and take a look at the first room option, the suite room.
Here are a few pros and cons to consider. Let's start with the cons. The hotel doesn't have a pool, but the beach is literally just across the road.
and there is no dedicated parking, but chances you won't need it. Plus, there is affordable and convenient taxis all along the beach. The accessibility is limited, there is no elevator, and moving between the floors is only via stairs. The bed is a little bit stiff, so it might not suit everyone's preferences. Here are the pros. The rooms are exceptionally clean, with fresh and airy vibes. Each room is equipped with a new high-performance air conditioner to keep you cool, 2 complimentary bottles of cold water in the fridge, 2 small shampoo bottles, 2 bars of soap, a hairdryer, clean sheets and towels. The location is unbeatable, just a 2-minute walk to the walking street and only 1 minute to the beach. The service is excellent and always provided with a smile, making your stay even more enjoyable. I hope this review helped you to decide if the Red Balcony Inn is the right fit for your stay. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel so we can keep bringing you more reviews and even better content in the future. For you, it's just 1 click, but for us, it's a huge step forward to success. If you have any questions, feedback, or feel like we missed something, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to improve for the next time. Thank you so much for watching.